Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences with the platform. Today, we're exploring TradeStation, a platform located at TradeStation.com, and diving into its various features and functionalities. TradeStation offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed for active traders, ranging from robust charting capabilities and advanced order types to sophisticated analysis tools and simulated trading environments. The platform caters to both novice and experienced traders, providing educational resources and support for those new to trading, while also offering the complex tools and data needed by seasoned professionals. TradeStation emphasizes powerful and customizable charting, allowing users to tailor their technical analysis to their specific needs and preferences. A vast array of indicators and drawing tools are readily available, facilitating in-depth market analysis. Beyond charting, TradeStation offers a range of order execution options, empowering traders to implement various strategies with precision and efficiency. From basic market orders to complex conditional orders, the platform provides the flexibility needed to navigate dynamic market conditions. Simulated trading, also known as paper trading, allows users to practice their strategies and refine their approach without risking real capital. This feature is invaluable for both beginners learning the ropes and experienced traders testing new ideas. Furthermore, TradeStation provides access to extensive market data, including real-time quotes, historical data, and news feeds, ensuring traders are well-informed and equipped to make informed decisions. The platform is available across multiple devices, including desktop, web, and mobile, enabling traders to access their accounts and manage their trades from anywhere. TradeStation is committed to providing a seamless trading experience with robust tools and comprehensive resources for traders of all levels. Whether you're just starting your trading journey or a seasoned professional, TradeStation offers a platform designed to meet your specific trading needs and enhance your overall trading performance. They also provide various account types and pricing plans, so be sure to explore their offerings to find the best fit for your individual circumstances.